Good afternoon. I thought I would start a new vlog. Today is the first day that I have finished Whole30. I did have that one day with, actually it was 2 days, with Shane, Ryan's brother, where he came into town and we enjoyed some Italian food, and that is okay. We weren't trying to be super restrictive. We just wanted to try to be as true to it as possible. So today I thought I would just enjoy something I have been craving for quite some time now, and it's the tuna sandwich, my absolute favorite from Larchmont Wine and Cheese. It's super simple. It just has lettuce, this amazing tuna, balsamic, and olive. Wait, this is not it. Oh wait, no it is. I thought it was salami, but it was a tomato. And then had to pick up these chips in a pickle dill chips from Trader Joe's. I am obsessed with dill and pickle flavored stuff, so let's give this a shot. Here's the inside. Looks phenomenal. Lots of dill on the chip. I appreciate it. Taste test time. Already pick up the pickle flavor right away. Already pick it up. The dill is popping. Yes, just what I want on the side of my tuna sandwich. So I'm gonna be extremely satisfied with this little meal. And then I always serve it up with a fun drink, so I'll show you my little fun drink I picked for today. So the Harney & Sons Organic Green with Coconut Tea is one of my absolute favorite teas. It has ginger and vanilla in it as well. It's just so refreshing. It reminds me of summer, and it's been pretty hot here in LA lately, like 85 to 90 degrees. So I'm just, I don't know, I love fall. As we know, I am a cozy season gal, but lately no. Crap. Wow, that is such a freaking bummer. My plate is completely smashed. Oh, please don't be glass in my Sammy. I've been waiting for this Sammy. And people think vlogging is easy. Well, maybe this is a sign that I need to stick to Whole30, which we are going to. I think this is our game plan. We're going to keep the week Whole30 and then on the weekends indulge. So it is Saturday and I'm gonna go enjoy this lovely tuna, hopefully no glass in my sandwich, with some chips by the pool. The pool is calling my name. There's nothing I love more than the perfect meal with the perfect TV show. I usually bring my laptop out, and I really love watching Bravo shows. So right now, I have to catch up on the Real Housewives of New Jersey. It's a pretty good season this year, I have to say. It's my guilty pleasure. I'm not gonna apologize about it. Just set up camp, housewives ready to rumble, and then over here is my yummy lunch. We got a pool view, and also we use this app called Waze to watch the dogs. We only plug it in when we're out and about and we just want to check in on them. You can also talk to them as well as record like whatever they're doing, which I think is pretty cool. So they can hear you or you can hear them, and it's kind of like a baby camera but for dogs. And my place is really messy. Ignore that.
Just another sunny day in Southern California.
Just came back upstairs so I can give the dogs their lunch since I just finished. Whoa, my lunch. Where am I? I am in heaven. Okay, I need you guys sit, stay, sit, stay, sit, sit, excuse me. We are learning and you need to be patient. Ember, hold on, sit. No, we need to wait. Hold on, sweetheart. Sit down. Ember, I know, it smells so yum. That's a little crazy. Sit. Good boy. Go ahead, now you can eat. Come here, baby. Okay, you guys, so the dogs are sleeping, so I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you these 2 new hair products I am so stinking excited about. And not only am I excited that I finally have these, I'm actually working with this company. What? I feel really cool right now. They reached out to me and said they follow my YouTube channel and they would love for me to show how their ponytail attachments work. And I have been wanting a ponytail attachment for so long now because the Ariana Grande, I mean, iconic. And I've just been seeing it more and more on Instagram lately. So they sent me two, look how cute. I saved this because I thought the packaging was adorable. Loading pretty things inside. Cute. I love little details like that. I picked out two of the ponytail attachments. This one is in Lola and then the other one is in Brittany. So I will put in Lola first and then we'll put in Brittany. I think it's really, really cool that this color was spot on with my hair because as you guys know, I just recently went from, well, I guess that's not recently. It's been well over a year, pushing 2 years, that I went from platinum blonde to red. And red, the colors just change drastically with what kind of red you are. So it's really hard to pinpoint that. And this was the perfect strawberry blonde red that you could ever imagine. So let me show you how easy it is to put this in. I also have a discount code. I will pop it up on the screen. Also leave everything down in the description box. I would never work with a company that I did not love their products. That's just from me to you. Honesty is my policy and I don't have time to be repping things I don't love. Okay, so the first step, the top knot. It's a must. Now break out your attachment. As you can see, this is the main part here and then this is the separate strand. You're going to take this part, whip it around, and then push this little comb right into the top of your top knot, like so. Go back to that long strand. This is going to wrap around your bun to create that base to your pony. So lift that pony up, take that strand, and you're going to wrap underneath and bring it to the front. Okay, now, literally, you guys, you just pop in the bobby pins. They provide them for you as well as scrunchie in your cute little bag, and you're good to freaking go. I mean, this is really high ponytail. You don't have to go this high, but I like high ponies. How cute! I'm sorry. I can't get over it. I just feel so much more confident when my hair feels more styled because I'm good at my makeup, but I'm not good at doing my hair, and I can own that. It's something I need to work on, and this just doesn't make me feel that pressure of like, oh my gosh, I also have to do my hair when I'm getting ready. I am getting better though, and this hair piece just honestly makes it so much more easier. So I posted this exact hair piece on my Instagram, and I kept getting so many messages of how cute my hairstyle was. They genuinely thought it was real when they read the caption. They were like, wait, what? That's an attachment? So I'm gonna show you my before of my hair without the attachment and then my after. And I also don't want to just get something just for the pics, you know? So I was thinking like, oh no, this is gonna be me all day long if I keep this in, and it's not. Genuinely, like, so lightweight and cute. Okay, let's try it on the other one. I actually haven't tried on the other one before this video, so we are going to see what I think, genuine opinion, because this is much longer than this one. They have so many styles that I keep eyeing, like, oh, I need this one, I need that one. They have hair extensions, hair tools, but this one, I was like, I don't know if I would really realistically rock something so long, but what I think is cool is that you can style them really however you want. You can change the curls if you like don't like this curl, or you can wrap it in a bun. So I was thinking like maybe if I wanted a super long braid as a ponytail, that this would be cool because then I could kind of like, let me just put it on and let's see what I'm talking about. All right, yeah, this is way longer, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be down to my behind. Let's put it on. Let's go over it one more time. So unwrap the Velcro, take the little comb, you're whipping it around, pop in the comb right into the top of the top knot, taking that little strand that they provide with the Velcro attached. We're gonna bring that strand around and then we're gonna bobby pin it right under here because then technically your ponytail will hide it. But whoa, who is she? I don't even know her, but I want to get to know her. Whoa, this is fun. Rapunzel Kales. And I thought I had long hair. Oh, this needs to be a little tighter. Hold on, my bobby pins are coming out. Obviously brand new to this, so I need to play around with it a little more to like perfect it to how I like it. But this is so fun. Hello, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So if you don't feel like that comfortable with all this hair, like, it's a lot for some people, and I get that. Everyone has their different comfortability levels. I was thinking you could totally like braid the back, or you could do like that typical bubble ponytail that everyone's doing. And usually when you do that, it shortens the pony a little bit. Look, I know it sounds kind of crazy to some people that rocking this kind of hairstyle to you may not be like the biggest deal in the world, but for someone who's not as confident as rocking something a little bit more dramatic, it can be. But I just want to remind you guys, like, if anyone is judging you, it's out of a fear-based stance. It's not anyone who's happy in their lives or like genuinely doesn't care isn't going to be judging you, because they're going to be so busy being happy and careless that they're not gonna have the time to put other people down. Most of the time, no one will really put you down to your face. They'll just write it on the internet. So good thing we can't read people's minds. I'm trying to braid this to see if this would look cute. I just wanted to remind you guys of that, because fashion and hair and makeup is an art form to express yourself. It doesn't have to fully reflect who you are. If you feel like you're someone else that day and want to do something fun and different, do it. Like, it's not a permanent thing. You're not getting a tattoo when you put your makeup on. Well, actually, you kind of can get tattoos when you put your makeup on. But you know what I'm saying. Like, it's not a permanent thing. If you're not into the mom jeans anymore, you can change the mom jeans. Obviously, just playing around. This has to be fixed at some point, but I just want to see if the braid looks cool. But yeah, I hope you guys know what I'm getting at. Like, nobody has to be locked into one particular style for their whole lives, or even just like for a certain phase of your life. Every day you could do something different. If that's what you want to do, then do it. This is cute. This is cute. This could hurt someone. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I did not do the best top knot. But you guys get the point. You see how cute these products are. Again, I'm telling you, if you want something fun and different for your hair, or if you got a short haircut and you don't particularly love how short it is and you have to get used to it and you miss your long hair, this is another great solution for that. I've been wanting to have a bob for many, many years now, and I just cannot seem to do it. But having these hair pieces is like kind of encouraging me to go much shorter. Honestly, with my hair, it's been such a fun journey going red, because before I was so nervous to go this color. Like, I waited 4 years to actually go ahead and go fully red. Again, like with the whole, you don't have to lock yourself into one hairstyle for the rest of your life. Like, Jennifer Aniston has had many iconic hairstyles. Lisa Rinna, she's really nailed that iconic one hairstyle. But the moment that she started playing around with her hair on the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, everyone was like, whoa, who is she? Like, she looked so freaking good. And it's because it's fun to play around, and hair grows back, usually, hopefully. So go check out their website, their Instagram. Again, I will leave everything in the description box. And please use my discount code if you do end up buying anything, because that helps support me and show the brand that, you know, there is engagement with sending me these products. And they were so kind to let me just pick out whatever 2 products that I wanted. And I'm so genuinely happy and excited to play around with these 2. And I already love just like how standard they are, but all the possibilities that they will give me. So check out my Instagram for some more pics, because I know I love taking my pics. My 80-year-old self will love me for it too. Ryan just got home from work and he ordered this new cozy dog bed. We actually already had this. It's just like the larger size of it. It's really good. Stormy absolutely loves it. Ryan, do you have another haul for us you want to share? People are waiting for your rest of your haul. Do you want to do a headset review?
Yeah.
Have you ever had wireless headsets before?
No, but I have to because someone keeps chewing my headset up.
Whoa. This looks like a professional gamer right here.
No, for how much I paid for it as well.
How much did you pay for it? Ryan, Steven? No, tell
I had to get a wireless.
Okay, but tell us. I need to know. We're married.
$50.
That's it? I thought you were going to say like 100. Alright, don't let him. Okay, this bed looks absolutely ridiculous.
Lay on it, let's see.
We didn't get the laundry. That's why it looks ridiculous. All the bedding is in the laundry since last night.
Don't let him pee on it.
No. Yeah, don't do that, please. Good morning from little man and I. I just wanted to end this vlog because I forgot to end it yesterday. And, oh, I wanted to show you how big he's getting. He's getting so big. Okay, he's trying to rip off the camera little tie that I have on here. But he is getting to be a very big boy. Too big for me. I want you to stay a sweet little puppy. He has been making a lot of progress. So he now pretty much tells us when he needs to go to the bathroom. Every now and then he will have like issues. Okay, stop, buddy. It's taking a little bit longer to learn, you know, the words no and stuff, but it's fine. It's a work in progress. You have to be patient with puppies and just teaching them, and every dog is so different. So like, just because Stormy was super easy to deal with doesn't mean that that's what the case is going to be for every dog that we have. Just want to make sure I document you as much as possible, because one day you're going to be so big. And mommy's gonna look back and be like, remember when you were just a tiny little guy and I could just hold you in my arms? He slept with us last night for the first time ever. He slept above our heads on top of the pillows, and I wasn't mad about it. I was a little nervous that he might jump off because he can't get on the bed right now. So I was like, I don't know how smart it is to keep him, you know, sleeping on there in the middle of the night. He could just totally jump off. But since he was on top of our heads, we kind of had an idea of what he was doing. Okay, I'm going to put you down and we're going to close out the vlog, the vloggity vlog. I am actually going to vlog the rest of the day today. Today's Sunday, the day I'm uploading this. So I will see you guys hopefully in a day in the life Sunday vlog. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I always forget to say that. Sometimes I feel like it's annoying to say that, but don't forget to subscribe because it does help me out. Like this video if you love Sundays, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.